come to my attention that it seems to be a rite of passage to be an automotive YouTuber. You need a whiteboard. This is for the 400. My to-dos. It's everything we gotta do. Tails. First things first, we have to JB weld our valve cover, which, I don't know if you can see, down yonder, I'll put a picture on the screen. We suffered catastrophic oil loss. Okay, it wasn't that bad, but she was leaking. Alright, we gotta prep our sunroof. Lexan sheet in the mail, so we need to clean up all this shite, and we'll be using these what are these called? We will be using what the hell do you call these things? Riv nuts. Using the riv nuts. The rivet nuts. Let's keep going. Next, we've got to detail the interior. As you can see, it's not horrible, guys, but she gonna need a little love. She gonna need some love. Just gonna vacuum. There's some electrical tape down there. Like, what the hell is even that? Man, what do y'all think of the wrap, huh? Purple? Put a comment down below. Do we leave this? It's called Metallic Rose or something. Ruby Rose. Oh, let me get the camera on this shit. Got taillights. Only the middle ones work, so we're gonna go under there, check it out, see what's going on. Bring my little meter. Maybe do something, but probably gonna have to call Tavares down in Florida. Give us some help with the wiring. Next, we got our fender. Pretty obvious. I was doing a little scraping yesterday with some pads. So who knows if there's some Bondo or body filler in the box of parts, but we'll get to that. Next, we got a steering column. We adjusted this a little bit last time, me and Tyler. We just adjusted the, what do you call that? The bearing, support bearing. And then we dropped that down and the whole steering column came out a little bit and it freed up that angle. It's just got a hard bend. Anyways, moving on, I will just tighten that, or loosen it, adjust it, and then tighten it back up if I can't see any noticeable difference. And then we've got our big jobs with Tyler. We need him whenever he's free. We got our exhaust. Obviously, this right here just might need a little freshen up. He wants to do a teardrop right over here, and then to kind of swoop a little bit lower, maybe warm up the front tires. Or functional exhaust. Stop playing. Now, last but not least, the intake pipe. Guys, we simply cannot keep this. PVC. It's not bad. It's not horrible. We're gonna cook something up. Oh, last but not least, we're gonna go. So this is gonna be a high taper bumper up in the back, all custom steel. It's gonna be absolutely mental. But before we do any of this, 3S'ing. When we come into work in the morning for the manufacturing, me, Blake, and just Liam now, we've downsized rather substantially. It's called sweep, sort, and standardize. It's basically a time to fix what bugs you. The only reason that I've even been in business this long is the application of lean manufacturing and a culture of continuous improvement through Kaizen and the Toyota production system. So part of that, every day when we come in, we'll not necessarily do a chore because we do that after the morning time, usually before the production gets running in the day. But we'll just either sweep, which is a clean. You can just grab a broom, pick up any clutter on the ground. You can sort, so you can put back items maybe from the day before, like tape that was left out, a stapler, a box, or you can standardize. And this is the real bread and butter of the culture and the implementation of this standard. Is fixing what bugs you in the morning through standardization. That could be hanging up a broom. That could be mounting a hook to hang a pair of earmuffs or headphones. That could be a shadow board for hanging tools. So the idea is not to spend 8 hours on this one thing in the morning, but you can spend 15 minutes this morning, 15 minutes the next morning, 15 minutes the next morning after that, and then in the 3 or 4 days you've spent a little bit of time on this fixing what bugs you issue, and now you've forever created an easier process for the next man. Okay, stay with me, guys. We're gonna get to some cool stuff sooner or later. But the housekeeping is important. The little stuff matters. So we're gonna get our 3S done real quick. We've got a lot of crap to clean up down the lane, and I may even start breaking down a shelf. That's it. Let's get to it. You as well, if you're watching this. We officially have 3S. It's only hours later, but I gotta sneeze. Whew. Dylan showed up in the new GT4, and we had to go check it out. We were making our way through the list. JB Weld. Valve cover. But we freaking JB Welded the crap out of that thing. The problem is with the steering column. I'll straighten you guys out here. This is about dead on center. And that column is just pointing a little bit to the left. It really needs to come over a good bit. But the bracket under here is not adjustable. This looks like a scrap steel spray painted blue. Thinking we're gonna have to design a new bracket under here. But let's make that happen. Right. Okay guys, we got the damn thing cooling down over there. We got our bracket dropped, our column released. Let's get the bracket in. That was unsuccessful. So that was a huge fail. Basically, I need to do a bracket. It's gonna go like this, like my finger, and then we'll go here, down, and then over, and then we'll have a hole there and just offset a little bit to get the steering column over, because this just ain't gonna cut it. I don't know what I was thinking, but we'll try again. Okay, everybody, this is where we're at so far. We'll probably reinforce up in here. This is getting closer, but I think it needs to come. Yeah. Anyways, we'll be back. So we scratched that aluminum bracket for the catch can, and we made something totally custom, so we'll show you that in just a little bit. We also made some washers because I didn't have anything. So we're getting pretty close. We're gonna scuff all these up, paint everything real quick, push it in front of the fan, and I will check back in with you guys in just a little bit. And back inside. We have the catch can bracket complete, as well as the two lowering brackets that will shift the column over to the right a little bit, as well as dropping it down about 2 inches. So the last one we got to do is going to be the hardest one. Just closing this off. So then it just runs right back here.
Kind of round these out so it'll fit.
Will it work? I'll come check it out in a second.
I'm not doing this the smart way.
Is there ever a smart way?
Not hold you between your legs.
Avoid electrocution.
And you know, the hot drippy metal part. But I've been having like intermittent audio issues.
Right now? Or just...
Over the past year. And it's been stable now, but I've already just been dead set on soldering these fuckers and just being done with it. Yeah. They're all like, there's all this dust and shit in them.
What gauge is that? 14. 14? Just cooling off, going to catch can, all our washers, steering column, 1, column 2, steering column 3, piece in the corner already. Woo! So tired. Just get this painted so we go home. Ding! That means the oven is done. Oh, there we are. Fast as fuck, boy. Time to install this crap. First brackets are in. Got this right here. And of course, we got the branding on it. Keep going. We got the fucking steering column bearing. I don't know what the hell you call that. And we'll keep rocking. Okay, up here. Put a little branding on it. And now the steering column is almost totally lined up. And we got visuals on our dash, which we did not have before. So what I think may need to happen is the seat needs to come up, because I'm kind of sitting down and I'm over 6 foot, so we know we got problems. Or maybe just a cushion for my back. Alright, let's see what we got next at the whiteboard. I don't know about you guys, this has been a good weekend for working. Alright. No, 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 no. Yes. Dear God. Yes. Catch can is going in. Just like that, boys. Just like that. Oh, snap. Alright. Catch can is in. Catch can. One catch can installed. How we do, guys? How do we do? So one routes to the PCV, other routes to manifold vacuum in the back of the housing. I'm gonna come over right here. Shut board. Sunroof it will be here this week. So that's gonna be here. Detail interior, that's an easy one. Catch can, done. Let's go. This is gonna be a little tricky. I'm not too good with electrical. And the fender obviously is gonna be very difficult. Never done body work, so that's gonna be it for today. Might see you tomorrow. Might just see you in the next video. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more of the 400 up and running. Of course, garage as well. Updates any day now, guys. If you pray, go ahead and do that, or just wish me luck. See you tomorrow or in the next video. Peace.